dear traders, as we could see from the blog itself, there are really great women traders. In this video I will show you some famous women traders and investors, and I will give you some statistical rundown to show you how actually women can really go with par on men, and sometimes they're even better in trading. So first of all, statistics say that women-run hedge funds returned 9.8% in 2015 compared to 6.13% of the hedge funds run by men for the HFRX Global Hedge Fund Index. That is a very interesting fact, because also between 2000 and 2009, female hedge fund managers returned 9% annually compared to 5.82% that men did. Also, Merrill Lynch says and states that women are less interested and maybe less knowledgeable, but they definitely made fewer mistakes in trading. Additionally, U.S. index fund Vanguard states that women clients earn 5% more than men between 2005 and 2010. Also, interesting fact is that single men traded 67% more often than single women, 2.3% less annually. So they made 2.3% less. The thing is, I always state, not each day is for trading, guys. So I know that we men are prone that we want to trade every single day, but not every single day is for trading. Sometimes not having a position equals to having a profitable position, but it seems that women know better than we. Also, according to Terence Odian and Brett Barber, men traded 45% more often, and because of that they earn 1.4% less annually. So this is definitely one of the proofs that women can trade, and very often they can better us. Now let's see who are those famous women traders. Of course, the list is much bigger, but I have personally collected some information of the facts I knew earlier and from Forex Factory and other websites, and definitely some of the work that these women did back in past I know of. So the first thing is famous. I don't know if you have heard of her or not, but this is one of the richest persons in the world, and her name is Abigail Johnson. She is an investment advisor, and she is one of the chairmen of Fidelity International. Johnson is actually the president and chief executive officer of famous Fidelity Investment Fund. For you who don't know, Fidelity was founded by her father, Edward Johnson, and definitely this is one of the most famous investment funds in the world. And needless to say, there is huge money at stake there. And Fidelity is and has been one of the largest mutual fund companies. They run approximately 3.5 trillion in assets under administration and another 1.5 trillion of assets under management. They have a 65-year-long history, and definitely Johnson's wealth is approximately 14 billions, and definitely it makes her one of the world's wealthiest women. She's been in Forbes list in top 20 women in USA, and she was also ranked as the 19th most powerful woman in the world, of course according to Forbes. Wragge Horner is yet another good trader. Some of her works you can read on Forex Factory, and her famous works are 34 EMA channel that she calls a river, and grab candle indicators. The thing is, I personally read Riva back in time when I started to trade, and all I can say that 34 EMA channel is really one of the good things that you can find in Forex as long as channels are concerned. And I don't know much about grab candles. I know it's her work. I didn't test it personally, but 34 EMA is actually a good thing. And the river or 34 EMA wave is always popular in Forex market. Another famous trader is Kathleen. You can read her works also on forexstreet.com, daily Forex also. And she uses technical analysis and fundamental analysis, of course, in trading. And as I know, she also trades some products outside of Forex. I think those are equities and futures. And she is indeed famous ones, one of the famous women traders. Also, she has seminars all around, and yet another proof that women can be a great traders and educators. Miss Barbara Rockefeller, actually we followed each other on Twitter, but in the last 3 or 4 months I don't see her on Twitter, so I guess she is not running her Twitter profile anymore. But the thing is, well, Barbara Rockefeller is indeed one of the pioneers of technical analysis, and she is the author of Technical Analysis for Dummies, and she is also one of the authors of the Foreign Exchange Matrix. And Barbara Rockefeller is really, she has a good fundamental understanding. I really enjoy reading her fundamental articles, and you can always learn some interesting facts by reading her articles. Also, Lydia Pinkley. And Lydia is actually running her blog, and her focus is silver and currency pairs. She also started trading. She also started in equities, but she moved to silver and currencies mostly. Also, Lydia has some good insights about movement, currency trading. You can also find her on Twitter and check out also her insights there. You can read her opinion. But definitely, guys, the best I save for the last part of this presentation. And this is one of the stories that I'm always interested in, and this is very, very inspiring for all people. And definitely her name is Mace Ingerborg. Well, I don't know how many of you have heard of her, but perhaps the main feature of Ingerborg is that she actually started to trade in the age of 75. And well, yet another proof that Forex trading is available for everyone who is at least 18 years of age until the end of days. Miss Ingerborg started to trade at 75 when she was 75 years old, and she made millions, guys. At the age of 83, she was 500k euros in profit. She also admits that she had never been a gambler or greedy. She also states that we should not join any investment funds or any capital accumulation programs by banks. She says that you can do it yourself. You can do it yourself. And that is what I also teach you. And this is the proof that you can do it. No matter the age, no matter that you're a graduate of economics or other faculty, or maybe you don't have so high formal education. But as Ingeborg, but you can make it. Okay? I know that many speculators made fun of her because she did not study at the Faculty of Economics, and she didn't have a good knowledge about PC and computers, but definitely she made it. She's successful. She is one of the proofs that everyone can be successful. She started to trade basically by looking at the market quotes in the local newspapers. So guys, as you can see, ordinary people can succeed, and no matter the gender, no matter your formal and informal education, guys and girls, of course, come join our webinars. As I always say, we are here to help you. As always, cheers and trade safe.